What?
Normal programming has been suspended.
What, is that on the TV? What's the matter with this?
I have no idea. Bro, what's the matter?
No idea.
An attack is imminent.
Who's in the happening outside?
Have a look. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mum.
What?
Mum.
Yeah?
It was a fake video. We put it on. It was a fake.
This is BBC Television from London.
First, they're sour. Then they're sweet. Sour, sweet, gone.
Normal programming has been suspended.
Huevo means egg.
One for Amanda.
Who you playing with, sweetie?
Amanda.
Oh, who are you?
I'm Amanda. I'm 6. And I love unicorns.
This is BBC Television from London.
Don't worry about it. We're crabs. I'll be back before dinner rush starts.
Normal programming has been suspended.
Oh no, not again. Coughing, nothing, nothing. No, no. Oh, I think I'm gonna be sick coughing. Coughing. Thing.
This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC. Information of a possible nuclear strike against this country has been received. The current threat level is critical, meaning an attack is imminent. Civilians are advised to stay in their homes. Evacuations are currently taking place in the London area. All motorways and airports have been closed.
Is a character used to imply mischievousness or trolling, and is the most accepted symbol of trolling. Asa!
Oh my god!
That fucking jump scared me, man.
And is the most accepted symbol of trolling. He is considered the mascot of...
For military use, non-essential telephone lines have also been temporarily disconnected. Please stand by and await further information.
This is BBC Television from London. Normal programming has been suspended. This is BBC Television from London. Normal programming has been suspended.
This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC. Information of a possible nuclear strike against this country has been received. The current threat level is critical, meaning an attack is imminent. Civilians are advised to stay in their homes. Evacuations are currently taking place in the London area. All motorways and airports have been closed for military use. Non-essential telephone lines have also been temporarily disconnected. Please stand by and await further information.
Attention.
Bang!
This is an emergency broadcast. The eyes have escaped. To stay safe, you will need to follow these 3 steps. Whatever you do, do not go outside. Close your curtains. If you have any alternative ways of blocking your windows, please do so. Keep your eyes as closed as possible. We encourage you to wear a blindfold just in case. If for any reason you have decided not to follow the 3 steps, make sure not to look at the eyes. If you meet eye contact with them, even for a split second, then there is no hope. If you encounter anyone with red eye,
How do my Aberdeen slippers look? Oh, hold on. Hold on, Gordon, please. Please.
then there is no hope. If you encounter an oculoid, then there is no hope. If you encounter then there is no hope. Please refrain from coming into physical contact with anyone infected. You will become like them. If you are in possession of a firearm, please do not hesitate to arm yourself. To sum up, do not go outside and make sure not to look at the eyes. And remember, there is no hope.
I love the lights and stuff. Play. I just want to be the one, you know. Are you gonna make a video?
At this time it is advised that you lock all your doors and windows. Do not open the door for anyone even if it looks like a normal human being. Even if you hear your door open or window shatter, do not react. Find a safe hiding place in your home and do not make any noise. If a family member is outside, do not intend to pick them up. Make sure to turn off all television sets and radios once this broadcast is complete. I repeat, do not have your television on once this broadcast is finished. If you see anyone who looks like a human on your television set with impossible features, look away as quickly as possible. It is very important to hide all children from television sets with disturbing imagery. If you hear anyone in your yard or inside your house that sounds like a human, assume it isn't. If you have access to any loaded weaponry, make sure to have it on you at all times. If you see anyone who has biologically impossible features, make sure to run and hide. If you see a clone of yourself or somebody else you know, run and hide.
Bye.